Hello students, in this video we will discuss first theorem related to circle. Equal arcs subtend equal angles on the center of circle. That means if any two arcs are the same length of a same circle, then both arcs subtend equal angles on the center of circle. These arcs may be in same segment or same circle or in the congruent circle. Here we will need to understand what is the congruent circle. Congruent circle are those circles whose radius are equal. So now here this statement are written like this also: equal arcs subtend equal angles in same circle or in congruent circle. Congruent circles. Congruent circles means whose radius are equal. Now here we take both cases. This is the first case. This is the first case. A circle with center O, and this is the another case. There are two circles with the same radius, center O and center O dash. This is the second case. Suppose here two arcs take AB and CD. AB and CD, and here in this circles, this is the AB and this is the CD. Given that arc AB, this is the sign of arc, AB equal to arc CD. In both situations, arc AB equal to arc CD or arc AB equal to arc CD. To prove angle AOB equal to angle COD in both situations, that means suppose this is angle AOB and this is the angle COD. In this situation, AOB and CO dash D. Proof of this will be, we will take, taking construction, join A to B and C to D, and in this situation join A to B and C to D. Join AB, this is a line, that means this will be called equal to CD. In both cases, in first case and second case, both. Now here write proof of this concept. Since arc AB equal to arc AB equal to arc CD, therefore chord AB will be equal to chord CD. That means if arc are equal, then chord will be also equal in both cases. Now in triangle AOB and triangle COD, right here AOB and COD, OA equal to OC, radius of same circle or congruent circle. congruent circles. OB equal to OD, region same, radius of same circle are congruent circles, and BA equal to DC, just proved. Already we have discussed here. If arc AB equal to arc CD, then BA equal to DC. Therefore, by criterion of SSS, by SSS criterion, triangle AOB congruent triangle COD. If triangle AOB and triangle COD will be congruent, then we can say that angle AOB equal to angle COD by CPCT. Meaning of CPCT, corresponding part of congruent triangle. This is the new word for the 9th class students. CPCT, corresponding part of congruent triangle. Now here prove that if arcs of any two arcs are equal of the same circle or congruent circle, then both arcs obtain equal angle on the center of circle. Now in the next video we will discuss about converse theorem of this theorem.